welcome. Ryan here from Fiskal, and today I'm going to take you through how to add additional attributes to customers and how that helps us with organizing our customer list. So if we go to sales and we go to our customers, we have a look here. This is a demo account, so there's no contacts, phones, emails, and so on. But what we can do is we have the ability to select the different columns that we want. And so what's going to be important for us today is the customer field 1, or any of these custom fields. Okay, we're going to go to our reference books. We'll go to additional attributes, select a new one. So we're going to say customer classification. Right, attribute name. So this is the attribute or additional attribute 1. What is the name that we're going to be using for it? It's going to be customer classification as well. Cool. So this is then what selection, what attribute type is it? Is it a list, a checkbox, text, and so on? We're going to make it a list. And then we can select here, so B2B, for example, traditional wholesale. We can have here retail. We can have here anything. But the important point here is that we're going to separate it by a comma. That's the delimiter. Okay, save it. Right, so now if we go back to our customers, we can refresh this page. Now, obviously, we haven't set any of the customers up to have that additional attribute, but what we can do is if we go into David Smith, we can select the attribute set that we're going to be using, right? And so I've set up the customer classification, save that, go to additional attributes, and then select the type of customer classification that is available. And so also, anytime I change this attribute set, go to, for example, customer educational tracker, go to additional attributes, and now I get a different list of additional attributes. And this is also going to occupy additional attribute 1. So let's save that. Let's go back to our customer list, refresh this. Okay, and you can see here that we have CPUT and so on, right? If I go to Amelia and I say that the shipping attributes is going to be customer classification, I go to additional attributes, customer classification, save that, go back to our customer list, refresh. You'll see that it populates custom field 1, right? So it depends on the attribute set that you have selected for the customer. So what is the attribute set that we're going to be using, and what is the list that is available for that selection? So you'll see that we have multiple options here, and so this is the list then that is available for this attribute set. Okay.